Good evening, friends. Welcome to my trading view for 7 June 2020. As it was the end of the week, we'll take a look at the weekly charts first. Nifty weekly chart. Here we can see Nifty closing at a new lifetime weekly high at 15,670 levels. Also, we can see here that Nifty has given a breakout from its earlier higher close of 15,430 levels. Going forward, this is a healthy sign. The market trend is still up and we can expect further gains in the market. But short-term corrections will be there and it will be healthy for the market also. Moving on to daily Nifty chart, we can see even though there was some profit booking in today's trade, still Nifty is continuing to make higher highs like we have seen here. Today, in today's trade, it made a new 52-week high of 15,733 before closing at 15,670 levels. Those people who are positional long traders can still maintain a stop loss at 15,500 levels. For those people who are short-term traders, we can see here Nifty has formed a band that is a range between 15,600 and 15,700 or 730 levels. Yesterday I had mentioned that the stop loss for all long Nifty trades for short-term traders should be 15,600. Nifty came up to 15,622. It would have been a good buying opportunity if anybody wanted to enter Nifty. Now, tomorrow, that is on Monday, you can enter on a break above 15,700, 720 levels. Otherwise, if there is a gap of opening, wait for a dip towards 15,650 levels or buy on a consolidation. Moving on to Bank Nifty now. After this big bar 3 weeks back, Bank Nifty has done nothing but it is consolidating sideways like we can see here in the weekly chart. Still it is bullish, making higher highs each week. On the daily chart, the support for long-term traders has moved up to about 35,000 levels. Today also, Bank Nifty made a new high at about 35,800, and then because of the RBI's credit policy, some profit booking was seen after 10 o'clock. It ended finally at 15,300, 350 levels. Here also, with a strict stop loss at 35,000, one can maintain a positive bias in Bank Nifty. Onto hourly charts, we can see the band in which Nifty Bank is consolidating over the past 3-4 days. Any break and close above 35,700 will be bullish for Bank Nifty. Tomorrow, if anybody wants to enter, they can enter at 35,600 levels or after it crosses 35,700. There was a small divergence seen in Bank Nifty, which I don't believe will be of much concern. Now let us take a look at the derivative data. Nifty ended the day lower by 20 points to close at 15,670. Some short positions were seen in Nifty futures, which fell by 0.13% and the open interest went up by 0.55%. Nifty OIPCR was at 1.22. Amongst Nifty options 10th expiry, put writing was seen at 15,500. Call build-up was seen at 15,700 and some longs were also seen at 16,000. Bank Nifty closed at 35,292, lower by 357 points. Fresh shorts was seen in Bank Nifty as open interest went up by 7% with Bank Nifty closing lower by 1%. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.68. Hence, it is wise to presume that even though the Bank Nifty had seen a big open interest build up towards, it is safe to assume that at some point of time there will be a scramble to cover calls which has been written heavily. In today's trade, FIAs initiated some fresh shorts. They net sold positions in indices worth 614 crores. Their open interest went up by 3,462 contracts. Market breadth was positive. VIX was at 15.93, up by 1.2%. A look at FIA activity report for 4th June 2021. Securities that are in ban for trade on 7th June. Indiabull Housing Finance, PNB, SAIL and Sun TV. Before we end, let's take a look at the Nifty open interest chart for 10th June. Thanks for watching. Have a nice weekend. Good night.